Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Who will be the Congress NCP candidate for North Goa? Declaration expected today. Series of meetings on in capital city. Congress finally declared Sardina as South Goa candidate for Lok Sabha poll. Alex Sequeira welcomes the verdict of High Command. UGDP South Goa candidate Mathani Saldana claims that Congress had offered him 18 crores to back out from then Parrikar-led government. Mathani's exclusive revelation to Prudent Media in Head On. And Goan boxers disappoint at National Championship. Priyanka and Lavanya lose in the semis. Now the news in detail. After nominating Francisco Sardina as candidate for South Goa, the million-dollar question is still unanswered. Who will contest Lok Sabha election from North Goa for Congress NCP? After Babu refused to contest the Lok Sabha election from North, eyes are now on Nirmala Sawant and on Jitendra Deshprabhu.
Long wait of Congress to declare their candidate for Lok Sabha election is still partially on, as Congress NCP candidate for North Goa is yet to be declared. After Babu Usgaonkar refused to contest for North Goa, eyes are now on Nirmala Sawant and Jitendra Deshprabhu. On Sunday, the meeting of NCP and Congress leaders could not come out with any concrete decision. There is a possibility of party declaring the candidate on Monday after the meeting of Congress NCP leaders at CM's residence. Right now, there are indications that the North Goa seat will go to NCP, but suspense prevails. Who will be the candidate? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Saturday night, after a long wait, Congress finally declared sitting MP Francisco Sardina as their candidate for South Goa for the forthcoming Lok Sabha poll. Power Minister Alex Sequeira, who was earlier considered as the front-runner for the seat, has welcomed the candidature of Sardina. However, North Goa seat is allotted to NCP, where candidate is yet to be finalized.
According to sitting MP and Congress candidate for South Goa, Francisco Sardina, every politician has a right to try for Lok Sabha ticket. He is also optimistic regarding the support of all the Congress leaders during the campaigning.
My campaign in the last elections, I had made or given a lot of assurances to the voters. And I can proudly say that I have achieved them during course of time, that is 16 or 15, 16 months. As far as the DROs which I had promised, I have already moved the bill, and I'm sure when I am elected this time, I will move the same bill again in the first session of the Parliament. As I said, there is nothing wrong in people aspiring to be Member of Parliament. But now, as now the shoes are fitting me, now all of them, I'm sure, will fall in line and they will work for me as a party candidate.
Power Minister Alex Sequeira supports Sardina's candidature with full power.
I have never bothered to speak to anyone. I have never contacted anyone in Delhi, nor did I ask, nor was I told by the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Digambar Kamath, nor Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, our Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President. Nobody had ever spoken to me about this. So whatever I know is based on what I used to read in the newspapers. As far as the candidature of Mr. Francis Sardina is concerned, if he has been nominated as the official candidate, I welcome it.
Our correspondent Rakesh Kandolkar contacted Churchill Alemao for his reaction on Sardina as a Congress candidate for South Goa. Churchill was lobbying for Valanka as Congress candidate in South Goa, but he flatly refused to comment during telephonic conversation.
No, I have no any comments, please.
Hello, sir.
No, I have no any comments, please.
Okay, sir.
I don't give any interview.
Okay,
I don't have any comments.
Okay, sir.
Now, South Goa is cleared. The only million-dollar question remains regarding North Goa seat. On Sunday evening, Congress and NCP members held meeting with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for deciding candidate for North Goa. However, no decision was taken on probable candidate for North Goa.
Sir, any decision on the ticket?
Nothing.
No decision. Finalized?
No. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Anything? Any decision?
No, nothing.
Our reporters from Panji and Madgaon, Rakesh Kandolkar and Arvind Tengse.
South Goa UGDP candidate for Lok Sabha poll Mathani Saldana disclosed that Congress had offered him 18 crores to withdraw support of the then Parrikar-led government. He highlighted this in an exclusive interview head-on with Prudent Media.
People have offered me 18 crores, some Congress members. I can stand by that. Why they had to offer me 18 crores? I have not been persuaded by anybody to support this group or that group. I wanted to state there are two reasons. One, I did not want division of Goans based on religion. Two, I did not want, because I know corruption is there in everything. Money is being taken here, there, everywhere. So every time the government changes, more money is taken. The quality of works and things that have to the state are suffer.
Mathani washed off the rumors and said that he is contesting election to win and not to split anybody's vote bank.
I have no sympathy to BJP or UGD or Congress or for that matter anybody when our own party is contesting. If people think that we should be attached to somebody else and not this one or that one, is their own thinking. I can't say anything about it. But as far as we are concerned, we are not being fielded by anybody, nor we are interested to be fielded by others. We are contesting on our own for winning the election.
Mathani said that if he gets elected, then he wishes to form a group of MPs of small states and solve the problems of small states.
Madei is the second issue. Airport, that is shifting of the naval base, or rather not the base, is a training center to third. Then special status, we want that because see Goa became a part of India under circumstances that we all know. Yes, we are very happy to be there. But I think being a very small state, we need special protection in terms of to protect our identity, culture, cultural activities, including politics.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
You can watch this entire exclusive interview in head-on Monday only on Prudent Media. Have a visual treat of slurpy raw mangoes of the season, but after this short break.